consolidation settlement. Now let us discuss now, as we discussed already, delta V by V, which is equal to A into delta H by same area into H naught on the same area, on the same area. Now, what is V? V is nothing but volume of solids plus volume of voids. Just now we discussed volume of solids remains constant, that is equal to 1. Once Vs is equal to 1, E is equal to, as you know, void ratio means volume of voids by volume of solids, Vv by 1. So once again I will tell you now, V is equal to 1 plus E. V is equal to 1 plus E. Now how to calculate delta V? Delta 1, what is the change in 1? It is 0. Delta V is equal to delta E. Okay. Now I can write what is delta V? Is equal to delta E. What is V? 1 plus E naught. Don't mistake, E naught means initial void ratio. Initial void ratio. So now you please tell me. Now you please tell me. Right. ఈరోజు ల్యాగ్ వస్తుందండి ఏంటో సరే ఓకే నా కెన్ ఐ రైట్ నౌ delta H by H naught is equal to delta E by 1 plus E naught. Can I write now? What is delta H? What is delta H? Change in thickness. Change in thickness, which is nothing but SC. What is SC? Consolidation settlement. Therefore, delta H is equal to delta E by 1 plus E naught. So now somebody is asking me, this is the formula for calculation of consolidation settlement. Okay. We are very happy to see this formula. And somebody say that, sir, I have seen in textbook, they have given very big equation to calculate SC. I found in books a very big equation, but we are telling it is a very simple equation. Like this I have seen CCH naught 1 plus E naught log 10 sigma naught dash plus delta sigma by sigma naught dash. Now somebody is complaining, you are not teaching the formula that is originally there in textbook. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. But if you understand carefully, just see now, we already discussed what is CC. CC is equal to delta E by delta log sigma dash. CC means, don't think back, compression index. Somebody can ask me now, so what is delta E? Delta E is going to be CC into delta log sigma dash. So now I can write CC into delta log sigma dash by 1 plus E naught. Now somebody can ask me, CC, what is delta log sigma dash? Log 10 final minus log 10 initial by 1 plus E naught. Now please tell me now, I will write here, no, don't worry. Delta H is equal to, can anyone help me now how to calculate delta H now? delta H is equal to delta E by 1 plus E naught into H naught. What is delta E? Cc into log 10 sigma final by sigma initial into H naught 1 plus E naught. Now, in a simple sense, one second, I can understand actually. Okay. Now, delta H Sc is equal to Cc H naught by Cc H naught by 1 plus E naught log 10 sigma naught dash plus delta sigma by sigma naught dash. This is formula for calculating settlement. I will tell you once, MV is equal to 1 plus E naught. Now, what is delta E by 1 plus E naught? Delta H by H naught. Delta H by H naught. 1 by delta sigma. Now, therefore, delta H is equal to, can anyone tell me now, what is delta H? Delta H is equal to MV into delta sigma dash into H naught. So this formula is also in use for computation of consolidation settlement. Consolidation settlement. Settlement due to consolidation. Reduction in volume of soil mass. Now, another method by using Cc. Delta H, which is equal to Sc, is equal to Cc H naught by 1 plus E naught log 10 sigma naught dash plus delta sigma by sigma naught dash. ఇది మీకు కష్టంగా ఉన్నా కూడా మీరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్గా చదువుకోండి. ఇది మనకు బాగా యూస్ఫుల్ అండి. గేట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో ఎక్కువ సార్లు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది. మీరు కూడా చూసుంటారు. మీరు కూడా ప్యారలల్గా ఇప్పుడు మేము చెప్పాక మీరు కూడా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు. ఇది మీరు క్లాస్లో కూడా మనకి రెగ్యులర్ ప్రాబ్లమే. ఇది మనం పెద్ద కొత్తదైతే కాదు. మీరు క్లాస్లో వినే ఉంటారు. ఓకే. నౌ యూజింగ్ ఎంవి. Using MV SC, nothing but delta H is equal to MV into delta sigma dash into H naught.